Am I right side up or upside down? I can't really tell. I'll fix it in post. Anyway, I'm John, you're watching Road Reality. And today, we're doing a test, because I like to do a lot of tests. But I only have 2 cameras, so we're going to switch between those 2 views. If you have a used GoPro Hero 8 and you'd like to send it to me, leave me a message in the comments below. Then I can have 3 cameras. And then I'm going to need more storage. But today we're going to try something different. We're going to go down Muncaster Road here. It's been on the channel plenty of times, but this time's going to be a little different. See what I mean? You're going over here. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. Stick around. All right, here we go. So I've been meaning to do this for a while. I'll try not to talk through the corners so I can make them interesting. But yeah, this is 2021, folks. It's a grand time to be doing some testing, trying new things. I'm having a blast with this, and that Jaws clamp is one of the most useful GoPro accessories you could buy. I swear, it's so handy. You can clamp it to things, put it around bars, put it on your desk, I don't know. There's a ton of things you can do with it. But that clamp mount just comes in so damn handy. Oh, I love it. But anyway, welcome back to the channel. I do motorcycle content every week, whether it's gear reviews, rides like this, testing, and I'm doing behind the scenes stuff that other moto vloggers aren't willing or don't have time to do. Cool. Now I can talk. Those 2 corners out of the way, that is exactly what I wanted to test. I bet that footage looks so cool from down low. And yep, camera's still there. Can you see that? There it is. Whoa, no, going right off the road. Take a look, take another look. So it's just a clamp mount, the Jaws clamp mount, like I said before, with the gooseneck on it. And yeah, it's just, it's clamped on my saddlebag guard there. I did some testing on the way over, hit some bumps and stuff, and it didn't seem to move much. So the footage should be pretty stable and solid, and it should look pretty cool down there. So I might throw that into some more of my artistic videos. If you watch my Brighton Dam video, I'll leave a card up here. Man, that was 12 hours of fun. I mean, it hasn't gotten 12 hours of viewing time by the time I shot this video. But it was so much fun to edit, and I had such a fun time riding around with my buddy Jason from Ironborn Rider. We just had a total blast tooling around on our Harleys, and I think the results are pretty good. I got one comment on the Harley forums: "Sorry bro, I fell asleep." That's okay. I'm not doing it for you specifically, I guess. You're not in my target demographic. But what is my target demographic? I have no idea. But I'm doing this test. This is a lot of fun for me, and hopefully that fun comes through and you enjoy it too. If you do, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. What other kind of shenanigans should I try out? I got plenty of places on this big bike to mount cameras and all sorts of stuff. I saw one guy does a suction cup mount to his windshield, but man, I just don't trust those things. They've fallen off the dash of my truck so many times. Yeah, I don't want to risk losing my camera. Those things are expensive. But like I said, this is just a quick test video, trying out a different camera angle, getting creative. I mean, that's what YouTube is all about, right? Get creative, and you can get a formula going so it doesn't take you as long, and get the efficiencies going in your editor, and, you know, all that kind of good stuff. But at the end of the day, people want to watch people being creative. You know, whether it's your interactions with people, or in my case, my interactions with gear, because I can't find enough people to hang out with me. Oh, that's sad. Oh, it's so not true either. I got plenty of good friends. I don't have a lot of fringe friends, you know, those people that are, you know, on the fringe of your circle. They're not really close to you, but I have a good number of close friends, and I don't have to talk to them every day or every week or every month, but when I pick up the phone, they're always there. So I really like that, and that's what I'm more about anyway. I hope I can make a right up here. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a sub, and until I see you again, keep the shiny side up.